Yo, what's up guys? It's Pygoz here, the CryptoPie, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin guys and all the other altcoins in my watch list because, it's just going to be a market roundup just like we did last week because a lot of you guys actually enjoy that. So, we'll go over the whole market guys. So Bitcoin, real quick. Okay, so if we look on Bitcoin on the 6 hour here and the daily close, so let's take a look at the daily first. Daily closed guys. It was red here. It didn't get lower. It still didn't get lower than this green one. So it's still okay. So yeah, that's Bitcoin, guys. 6 hour. It's almost like double bottoming, right? Like bottom, having a second bottom, and then off we go. That's what I can see right now. And remember this? So we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And obviously I can get rid of this now. But basically, what that is, guys, it's a big. So after a wave, you get an ABC, right, in order to get back to the bottom. So if we just take a quick ABC here, so A, B, and C could just be the same low, right? Or it can be truncated like higher, or it can actually be a zigzag and be lower. So yeah, there's multiple things, but you can definitely kind of predict the C by looking at the 5 waves, right? Because a C wave, guys, has 5 waves, always does. So A doesn't always have 5 waves. This time it had, but and then the B, everyone can see this, right? A, B, C. There's a B, C in there. A to B is always A, B, C, and now B to C needs to be 5 waves. So. And we have it on the 1 hour here, guys. So even let's put on the 30 minutes so you can see it better. So what I see here, guys, is basically from here to there, and then here, right? And then we basically a 1-to-1 would be a wave 3, right? So, but we went lower. We went to 1.618 basically, okay? So and then we bounced. So honestly, that is what I can see right now, guys. So where could it go to? 2.618? I mean, that is pretty crazy, but it's definitely possible. 3.618, 84, 84, 89, 87, 87. Basically, this bottom, dude. If you just look at this, it's going to be this bottom, right? So, I mean, I cannot tell you for sure, right? But what I see here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I honestly see the 2.272 or 2.618. Okay, so yeah, let's just put it here. Okay, so and then we'll get basically what you get is a truncated C, which is a double bottom with a higher second bottom, which would be very bullish. Okay, so that is what I see on Bitcoin right now, guys. There's nothing to worry about, nothing at all. Okay, so that is Bitcoin for you. So let's get into my watch list and we'll go over every single coin and just have a look at it. Okay, so on a higher time frame, of course, because this is more for the swing trades, guys. So Cardano, all right. So we start with ADA Cardano. It's in a nice uptrend here, guys. I mean, you could really, yeah, it's just in a nice uptrend. If you wanna look for an entry here to the upside, it needs to break this. Okay, so just draw your line from the top and then just you have some resistance. That's basically what you're looking at Cardano, because I mean it's just in a big triangle. Okay, so yeah, that's Cardano for you. Let's move on to ADX. So ADX, guys, ADX, it just pumped massively, then it dumped massively, and now I don't know what to think. Okay, I don't know if this one's going to go bullish or bearish. I mean, yeah, I don't like these big pumps, so nothing more to say there. Ion is in a nice uptrend, guys. I like what I see here for sure. Has it done 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5, right? So I expect a 5 here, guys. Then AppCoin, just like last week, guys, it's actually 1, 2. I still expect a 3. I mean, was this the 3? That would be a very weak 3, but it still hit the negative 236. Then you have your 4 here, and then your 5 is obviously going to be way lower than what we predicted before, which is most likely just going to be a double top, or a negative 618. So that's app coins for you. Bitcoin Cash to Bitcoin is just massively bullish, guys. This is a little bit too bullish for my liking, right? I mean, just look at this. What did it retrace? 38.2. So what I see a lot right now is that coins retrace to a 38.2. Okay, so definitely think about that. Bitcoin Cash USDT. You know, I don't like the USD pairs that much. It's I mean, we can look at them, but honestly, guys, you want to make more Bitcoin. Okay, so I mean, it's still good to look at USD though, because of the psychological resistances. But that's about it. Blue Zell. What is this one doing? 1, 2. I expected 3 to be up here, just like the other one. It's very weak compared to it. The 4 actually, yeah. This one's not nice. I don't like this one. It's basically breaking structure at all sides. So stay out of BLZ for now, I'd say. Okay, unless it breaks this resistance up here. So basically just up here. Okay, so if it breaks there, then you can be looking at it. But for now, not that interested. Oh, what have I done? We were at BLZ. Okay, so moving on, Binance, guys. Binance, right? Like I said, guys, retrace to a 38.2. After that, we kind of just went up. Okay, so we're uptrending here still. Binance looking good, 100%. BQX, it's just bottoming out very nicely. It's a slow one, guys. This is one of these creepers, but don't, it's just nicely round the bottom here. So yeah, that's for BQX, guys. I don't know any entries, or I don't trade this one too often, right? BTC futures, Bitcoin USD, we already went over that. Bitcoin longs, guys. So the longs are not super high, not super low. Bitcoin short, same thing, not super high, not super low. Bitcoin gold is nicely uptrending here as well. Dash Bitcoin. What are we doing on Dash? Well, basically, I mean, if you look here, we had a higher high here, right? Than over here, so that's good. And after that, what did we retrace to? Okay, so because I see this as like a wave 1. 1 and 2 to the 0.5, not the 38.2. Interesting. So yeah, we went to the 0.5 to the 55 EMA on the 6 hour, and I expect a wave up on Dash. It could take a while though. Dash is not one that goes just off like, quickly. Not often anyways, because it's a big market cap one, right? So ELF, what is up with ELF? Big pump, and now it's like, yeah. What can I say here? I mean, I don't like patterns like that, guys. I don't like it when they pump so big and then they dump. Okay, so ELF, I'm staying out. EOS is just trucking along, guys. What can you say here? I mean, this is just a new high, guys. A new high, and I don't know where it will stop, honestly. I mean, we can look at some targets for EOS, because I know a lot of you guys are interested in EOS, and that's for a good reason. So I think it will take a little stop here, right? A negative 618 around the 0.002. Okay, so that's probably also if we take the Fibonacci extension here from this top to this bottom. Yeah, 1-to-1, 1.272. See, so really close to it. So 0.002. That is what I'm really looking forward to on EOS for a potential target, and then it could go back down. ETC, very choppy chart. Don't like it too much, but it is rounding, bottoming here. Ethereum, Bitcoin. So Ethereum, guys, bottom, way higher bottom. So how much retrace was this, right? How much is a retrace? To the 61.8, a little bit lower than 65, and then we're trucking out of it. So Ethereum is looking strong, right? Also, guys, could Ethereum reach 2,500 by the end of 2018? I certainly think so. Ethereum USD, GTO. We're not even looking at this, guys. All right, stay out of this. All right, my advice: stay out of this. Just a big pump. GVT, I think it needs to find its bottom. It didn't find it yet. If you're interested in this coin, just draw your line. Wait for it to show you an uptrend. It's not above the cloud either. It's not above this line. It's not above anything. Okay, stay out of it. It's below the EMAs. Just stay out of it. Icon, guys. Icon went higher than I expected. But can you get back in? Of course you can. No problem. And I didn't sell it all either, so I'm all good. But anyways, guys, so on Icon, what do we see here? I mean, we have this high. Then the next high was higher, but on the RSI is not higher. It's a little bit lower, actually. So that is a little bit of bearish divergence, but it's not strong bearish divergence. So I think it can certainly go higher. But I think it needs to cool down, okay? I think overall, guys, in the weekend, we will kind of pull back a little bit on the coins, right? There will always be some that will be popping, but we definitely had a bullish week. IOTA, yeah. So I think that's a 38.2 retracement, to be honest here. Let's take a look here. No, 0.5. Never mind. 0.5, guys. 38.2 here. So, yeah. IOTA's looking bullish. Definitely. KNC Bitcoin, Kyber Network. We have a bull trend going up here. And then we had this big pop. I would wait for a retrace to, normal levels. So around the 218, basically 55 EMA, 21862. Right, this is just madness. So nah, not taking it. If it does want to pull back, just stay out of it and look for another crypto. All right, Link. What is this one doing? It's bottoming and it's uptrending, guys. Chainlink is certainly uptrending. It does need to get above this cloud, and this 21 EMA shouldn't cross over the 55 EMA to the bearish side. That would be a bad sign, but other than that, it's looking okay. Lisk is basically on the bottom, guys. I mean, Lisk is, I don't know. It will have a pop at some point, guys, but it's not Lisk's time just yet. Litecoin is also bottoming, just like Lisk is. Mana had this huge pump, and now it's back to normal. I mean, this pump, guys, this pump is not normal, okay? I mean, think about this pump. Nearly 200%. Nah, that is not done, but it is bullish anyhow. MTH Monetha is bottoming out still. It's not doing much. MTL Metal bottoming out as well. So these are all sleepers, guys. Nano Bitcoin bottoming out. NEF bottoming out. Wow, Ncash. Okay, this one's uptrending. So, and I mean, it is down now. It is under the cloud now, but it was doing good. I mean, it's still technically in a little bit of an uptrend, right? If we take just like this, I mean, basically like in a channel like this. So if it gets here, you could take position and aim for that swing up there, which would get you a 35% profit. Not bad, but yeah, that's Ncash for you. Then we got Nablio uptrending, guys. It's always a good sign, by the way, when you see the white, so my 21 EMA and the 55 EMA and the price above it. All right, you want to see that. That is very healthy. Neo to Bitcoin, we're a little bit in a slump, but overall we're still uptrending. Look at this, okay guys, this is uptrending. So Neo USD is obviously uptrending. Omisa Go, yeah, what can you say, right? Big pumps, but it is definitely uptrending. So Ontology, guys, my big play, you know, I play all the time. So Ontology, definitely uptrending. Okay, above cloud, it's above the 21, above the 55. This is the one you should be looking at, right? Same for Icon. You know, the ones that are just showing you upwards momentum. That's the ones you want to trade. Don't try to guess the bottoms, guys. PIVX is downtrending. You know, below the 55, below the 21, inside the cloud. It's not looking too good for PIVX. POE. Uptrending, guys. Look at this nice uptrend. Alright, so POE is a nice uptrend. Power, nice uptrend. Qtum is uptrending, but it's taking a little bit of a pullback like expected. RLC is downtrending. Well, I mean, it was uptrending. It came out of this bottom, and then now it's like, nah. It can, you know, it doesn't have, you know, follow through, so it's most likely going to downtrend again. Then Salt, all right, so Salt, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then remember I had my 4 here, went a little bit lower, and nearly hit the 5 though up here. So yeah, Salt, guys. All right, so I kind of think this was the 5. If it was, we need to look for a 38.2 at least for a retracement. Did it hit the 38.2? It certainly did. It hit the 0.5. So now we're already uptrending again. This one is strong, guys. Salt is one to watch. So let's move on. Storm is had a nice bottom here, popped out, and now it's above the 21, above the 55, above the cloud. It's uptrending, guys, for sure. Stratus, it's having a little bit of a hard time. I mean, it's uptrending, right? But I think it needs a pullback. I think this Stratus needs a pullback. So we take a look at Stratus here. Well, actually, I don't know. I mean, it hit the 38.2 here. So it could be that it's trying, but it needs to make a new high then, right? If it shows you higher lows, and then that's a good sign. But wait a little bit with Stratus. Then Substratum is uptrending, and just like with Stratus, I think this one needs a pullback as well. Even though this looks like to me like a 38.2 already. Yeah, but I think these need a little more though. Tron, guys, oh my god, look at Tron. Okay, so you had this perfect triangle, and boom, off she goes. So yeah, Tron is uptrending. Okay, madness uptrending. VeChain is it needs to hold support on the 6-hour cloud. That's all I can say about it. It's not uptrending really. It's not downtrending yet either. It's kind of like neutral. OneChain is uptrending. Okay, definitely uptrending here. And I think OneChain had a beautiful pullback to 38.2. Yeah, look at that. So, and then now it's a new high. So OneChain's looking good. Waves is, you know, it's it did a 1, it hit that nearly at 618, and now the 3. I'm still looking for this target. So Walton, guys, what is Walton doing? Well, Walton is a perfect example of an excellent channel. Look at that, guys. Actually, we're breaking out of that channel now, but this is a funny one to trade, right? But it's definitely uptrending, guys. It's looking good. Walton chain, Bitcoin Euro, Bitcoin USD, whatever. Stellar Lumens is uptrending. I think it needs a pullback. Well, yeah, this one needs a pullback. Okay, so look at this, guys. Right, so we got the tops here, but look at this. Okay, so that is a way lower RSI, right? Yeah, this one's weak. It needs a pullback. Stellar Elite needs a pullback, guys. Monero, Bitcoin, Monero fell on the 55 EMA. That could be for a pullback though. I mean, 618, right? No, 0.5. Okay, so the 0.5 is hit. Will it stop here or will it hit that 618 or even lower? I mean, the real support for this one is right down here, guys. So I would kind of want to see it go down there before I'd be interested. Okay, so yeah, there's nothing really in between. Okay, so yeah, that is basically it for Monero. Ripple, 1, 2, 3. I don't know. Like, I mean, so Ripple, guys, it was uptrending and then it fell under that 21 EMA. Now it's barely holding on the 55 EMA. It's almost falling under the 6-hour cloud as well. It needs to pump now, or Ripple will downtrend back down. So Ripple USD, it's kind of the same case. Verge was uptrending, but then you can see 21 is under the 55. It's under the cloud. It's bearish. Verge is bearish. Not Zcash. What are we looking at here? We have, yeah, this one is bullish. Bullish to neutral. I mean, it's trying to bounce from this 55 EMA. I mean, how much was the retrace? To see if it was a healthy retrace. 0.5. That's healthy, guys. I mean, it went all the way to 786 even. So yeah, very healthy. I expect another pump up on the Zcash. So then we have Zilliqa. You know, last but not least, guys, we got Zilliqa left, AMB and QSP. So Zilliqa, guys, uptrending, right? And it's trying to hold this 21 EMA here. 55 EMA is down here. Then, I mean, what was our retracement up here? 0.5. So, guys, what can we get out of here? Basically, that the 0.5 and the 38.2 are the most respected at the moment, okay, from the Fibonacci levels. So, Ambrosis, we had a beautiful like pump here, back to the 21 EMA on the 6-hour, and then another pump, and now then a retrace again. So, I mean, if we look at this, it's a 0.5, again 0.5, guys, and then here again nearly 618. So, yeah, this one I can see there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're looking for a little 5, right? This could already be the 5, but we don't know when the 5 ends. So we want to see some more red to confirm that the 5 has ended. Then the QSP quant stamp, it's neutral to me. It's not bullish, not bearish, because if you look at it, we're still above the 55 EMA, but we're below the 21 EMA, close to the 6-hour cloud. We need to bounce up from here. So that's it for QSTEM, guys. And that's basically the whole watch list that we went through. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And I mean, you know, a lot of things are looking bullish still, but I do think we will get some sort of retracement during the weekend. And then after the weekend, we will, you know, continue on strong. Of course, it's dependent on Bitcoin, but I believe Bitcoin will bounce. So, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Also, if you're not in my Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where you can ask me any question, you can ask other people questions. It's just a great chat box to be in, right? So yeah, join up with that. Also, join up with the CryptoPies feed, basically where I post all my videos. I post about upcoming ICOs. And it's just, you know, a great announcement channel. I mean, I post here as well when there's warnings, you know, like we had last week with the My Ether wallet, and, you know, stuff like that will be posted here as well. So yeah, guys, both Telegrams will be in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that post notification button. And if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below. and I'll see you guys in the next video.